Here we see one more example in the time and distance. It takes 8 hours for a 600-kilometer journey if 120 km is done by train and the rest by car. It takes 20 minutes more if 200 km is done by train and rest by car. Find the ratio of the speeds of the train to that of the car. So this is the you have to find the ratio of the train speeds of the train to the car. But first we should see what is given in the question. There is 600 km journey. So from A to B he has traveled 600 km journey in two parts. The first part he has taken 8 hours. 8 hours he has done the journey. How he has done? 120 km is done by train. 120 km is done by train, and the rest means 600 minus 120 480 km by car. So you have to understand this first case is total journey is 600 kilometers. If he does then like this 120 km by train and 400 km by car, he took 8 hours for the journey. Okay, that is the first case. And in second case, he took 20 minutes more. 20 minutes more means first case 8 hours he has done. 20 minutes more means 8 hours plus 20 minutes. So 8 hours 20 minutes is taken for second case. Second is how he has done 200 kilometers done by train. By 200 kilometers by train and 400 kilometers by car. This is the second case. So now we have to see solve this for the speeds and their ratios. Let the speed of the train be x kilometers. Then the speed of the car by b y kilometers. Then total distance our journey is 600 kilometers. Sorry. So total journey is 600 kilometers. So first case 120 kilometers traveled by train, 480 kilometers traveled by cars, totally 600 kilometers. So time taken to travel is 8 hours. So 120 kilometers by 8, the train speed is x kilometers. So 120 by 8, 120 by x plus 480 by y, speed of the car y. So this is time taken is 8 hours. So on solving this, 1 by x plus 4 by y is equal to 8 by 120. On solving further, you will get 1 by x plus 4 by y is equal to 1 by 15. This is the equation 1. Second case, 200 kilometers traveled by train, then 400 kilometers by car, 200 plus 400 600 kilometers total journey. Then he took 8 hours plus 20 minutes. 8 plus 1 by 3, 20 minutes means 20 by 60, converting to hours, 20 by 25 by 3. So it is time, that is, so 200 by x plus 400 by y is equal to 25 by 3. So it further solving 1 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 1 by 24. So on solving equation 1 and equation 2, we get x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 80. So ratio of speeds of the train is equal to 60 is equal to 80 is equal to 3:4. So that you can see the solving here. Equation 1 and equation 2 minus. On minusing you will get like this equation, and we will get first y. Then on substituting this y value in the equation 1.